Hello everyone, Checkmate here, and today I will teach you how to set up lights in your Blender model. There are three ways you can light up your model. I will teach you all three. First one is putting a light. For that, press Shift A. When you press Shift A, you can see the light option in the middle. There are four types of light in Blender, that is point, sun, spot and area. Point light is when you want to show the light source as a point. The sun acts as a real sun. That is, you can set the angle of the light and the light will appear like it is coming from infinity. That is sun. Now spot and area lights. They are similar. The difference is their shape. Spotlight is circular and area light is square in area. Let's get sun. Now you can see the sun is here, but it is hidden by the box. Let's grab it and press G and Z and take it up. Now it is here. Let's make it a little bit angular so you can see the lighting. To see the light, you have to go into render mode, but right now you are in EV mode. For that, first of all get into cycles and then GPU. If you remember in my last video, I taught you why this is important. Let's get the setting to 10 and 20 so we do not overload our system. And now go to our render mode. You can see there is a little bit difference in the light. You can see the shadows here and the brighter part. Let's make the light a little bit brighter so you can see it more. Now you can see how it is changing. You can see how I am changing the sunlight and you can see the shadows. Back to solid mode. This was the sun. Now the second way is you can put a sky texture. This one I learned a little bit late, but I am teaching you right away. That is, you have to go into word properties and then click on colors. Now you have to see sky texture. When you press it, it will not change anything because you are in solid mode. Get back into render mode and you can see a sky appeared. You can change the settings here and play with the sun disk size, the intensity, the elevation of the sun like this, the sun rotation, attitude, and air, dust and ozone particle. These three have the different results. You can set them according to your project and according to your need. Let's delete it. Back to solid view. Now I am telling you my favorite way, which I used for a long time when I started as a beginner. That is, press Shift A and get a plane in the scene. Make the plane bigger like this and get it a little bit above your scene like this. And now go into material properties and give a new texture. You might remember this in the previous video where I teach you how to give a color to your object. Selecting the object, now go to surfaces and select the emission. Now the plane is emitting some light. To see it, you have to go into render view. Now you can see how the plane is shedding some light. You can increase the intensity by here like this. So these are the three ways you can set up lighting in your scene. You can choose whichever way that is more efficient or choose your style, or you can learn easily. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and keep watching the classes so you learn 3D and Blender very soon.